author, whatever your business is, just taking away the intimidation and being afraid of what AI may do for you. I'm so glad that I took this course because it's not only introduced me to everything that's available. Deborah shares her wonderful resources and ways to do it easier, quicker, and for less cost. And it's given me the confidence to sort of get in there and get over my fears of trying it. And I want to be able to apply it to my business.
And for me, also, I think it has helped because I've always struggled with dyslexia. And even though there's like other like grammar softwares, it still wasn't helped me as much. And now I type up my emails and then I drop it into the chat and I say, please correct for grammar and clarity. And I'm actually also learning because as I'm seeing it, now I'm kind of able to predict.
Oh, that's wonderful.
And another thing is that now I'm able to recognize when other people are using AI, which before I did not. So
this was fantastic. And where I found it the most helpful is that I have been toying around with a lot of AI, and this has organized and gave me like a master on AI. So I can be grateful enough. I have a bunch of things I would like to do. I will keep you all posted. And I can't thank you enough. This is amazing.